You guys, welcome back. Today I'm making steamed eggs with ground pork and prahok, which is fermented fish. It's a traditional Cambodian dish that's served with crunchy vegetables. Let's get started. This is Prahok, the heart and soul of Cambodian food. Prepare the prahok by mincing it into a smooth paste. We'll need ground pork, garlic, and red chilies. Mince them all together and combine well. In goes eggs. This brand of prahok is salty already, so I won't be adding any additional salt, but feel free to do so if you'd like. Season with MSG and sugar. A few red chilies for garnish. Steam on medium-high heat for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, it's done. Serve with your favorite crunchy vegetables, and it goes great with jasmine rice. It's salty and savory. Full of umami flavors. This loaf is slightly firm to touch, but fluffy and tender on the inside. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button to show some love. I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.